What up, dudes? Ty from Indy CNC.
So we're here with Todd from NDCNC. Everybody knows that, right? As like he says. What inspired you to get into demolition derbies?
Going to the county fair, man. That's every summer we're going, we're doing it. And I got the itch.
The itch, yeah.
Still scratching it.
What types of cars do you typically like to use, Todd?
I crash the world, man. Crash the world. That's what I suggest.
Can you share some of the most common challenges you face during a derby? Like I said, these are some good questions.
During a derby. Trying to get out of there with my skin, I'd say, is the biggest problem.
Yeah.
Actually, you know what? Settling down and being chill, I can't do it.
Once you get going,
I don't have
it's hard to come down.
Yeah.
Mad dogs.
Mad dogs, bro.
What's the most memorable experience you've ever had in derby? That's a hard one too.
There's a bunch. Recently, though, is like MWFA class. Running into this dude, and he's like, "What are you doing?" And I'm like on his hood. And he's like, "What are you doing?" That's pretty memorable.
It was pretty memorable. It was, yep. All right. What do you see the future of demolition derbies, and are there any trends you find exciting?
I think vans, and probably so we're running out of full frame cars. Trucks is going to be it. So we're going to have trucks, and then vans, of course, SUVs. I think that's probably the future.
Right. You have any tips for any newcomers wanting to get into this sport?
First thing, hop on indycnc.com. But then secondly, do the basics. Look at your rules, do the rules, max them out.